In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and verify your invoice on Alibaba. Whether you need it for record keeping or accounting purposes, getting a copy of your invoice is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Alibaba account. Head over to the main dashboard where you'll notice an orders button. This is your starting point. Clicking on it will open a list of all your orders, past and present. If you're not seeing your orders immediately, double check that you're logged into the correct account. This is crucial because invoices are tied to specific purchases. Now let's locate the specific order for which you need the invoice. Once you spot the right order, you'll see a corresponding row for it on the list. Take your time scrolling through the orders, especially if you've made multiple purchases recently. Viewing the orders by date or sorting them by status can help you locate it faster. Once you've identified it, your next step is just a click away. Right next to the order, there's a More Actions button. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Within this menu, look for the Download Invoice option and select it. This action will take you directly to the download interface, bringing you another step closer to having your invoice in hand. Next, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to choose a file format for your download. Select PDF. PDFs are universally preferred because they're difficult to alter and can be opened on almost all devices without any special software. Once you've made your selection, click the download button. This will initiate the download process. After the PDF file has been downloaded to your device, open it to verify the contents. It's always a good idea to double check the details to ensure everything is correct. Make sure your name, purchase date, items bought, and any other relevant information are clearly listed. This will prevent any future discrepancies or misunderstandings. Finally, navigate to your Downloads folder and confirm that the invoice is saved there. Locating this file makes it easily accessible for future reference, which is particularly important for tracking business expenses or for tax purposes. Having it saved in your downloads ensures that you won't have to go through these steps again to access it. And there you have it. Your invoice is successfully downloaded and verified. This process not only keeps your records up to date, but it also ensures that you have quick access to your purchase information whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.